So now for our web server setup and management, you can create a web server in Windows Server. For example, the Windows Server 2016 and the Windows Server 2019. And pwede din gumawa ng web server on client like Windows 10. So ngayon, gagawa tayo ng web server sa Windows Server 2016 and sa client na Windows 10. So yung Windows 10 natin is named W10 and yung Windows Server 2016 natin is named LaunDCO1. So dito sa Server Manager dashboard in Windows Server, ito yung centralized interface for managing server roles, features, and itong dashboard na to, it allows the administrator to configure the local server manager on other servers and create server groups and to connect to cloud services. It also displays the status of various server roles such as the Active Directory Domain Services or yung ADDS and the HTTP, DNS, and the file storage services. So now let's create a web server. So una is click add roles and features, and as is a role base, then click next and piliin lang yung setup na server full name or yung domain name na meron. Then dito sa server roles page, merong option dito na web server ISS and select yan, then confirm add feature, then next again, tapos next and install. So after ma-install, may makita kayong IIS sa mismong dashboard. Then ayan yun. Then click close. Tapos punta lang tayo sa tools dun sa may server manager. And then click the IIS manager. So gamit to, you can manage the websites. So under site, ayan, there is default website and pwede natin ma-access tong website. Then try natin. So dito we can use the local host. And this is the default web server page. So ito yung default website and may kita din dito yung path or yung location ng files. So now let's try natin edit yung website. So punta lang sa system drive, inetpub, www-root, then pwede na natin edit tong ISS start, then text editor and itong notepad. Then try natin kung may edit ba, and lagyan lang natin ng word na web server in Windows Server 2016. And ayan, try natin bumalik sa, then refresh kung gagana ba. So ayan, gumana yung nilagay natin. So ngayon, try natin kung ma-access ba to ng other machine. Then try natin sa client na Windows 10. Yung connection between the Windows Server 2016 and yung Windows 10 client is naka-set up and working. Pero check pa din natin yung connectivity nila. So open command prompt and ping server IP address. So makita natin ang server IP address sa local server ng server manager. So yung IP natin is 172.16.0.10. So ngayon, gamit yung IP na yun, try natin kung connected ba sila. So ping 172.16.0.10. So ayun, yung dalawang PCs connected and can communicate. And now try natin sa web browser. And hindi natin gagamitin yung localhost dito since need natin matry yung web server na nagawa kanina. And gagamitin natin ngayon is yung IP ng server natin, which is yung 172.16.0.10. 1.6.0.10. So, ayan. So, pwede din natin gamitin yung domain name natin. So, for that, need natin gamitin yung DNS server dun mismo sa domain. So, punta tayo sa server, then may kita natin dito yung DNS server natin is running, and dito yung domain name natin, which is the adatum.com. So, tignan natin sa DNS server configuration, tapos, expand yung forward lookup zone, then click domain name. So, ayan, dito may kita nyo yung iba't ibang host records, and we can use the computer name dito sa host records, then append yung domain name. For example, the londec1.adatum.com para ma-access yung web page. So, try natin sa client machine, tapos type natin lon-dc1.adatum.com. So, ayun, same page pa din yung na-load. Then ngayon, try natin update yung page. For example, lagyan natin ng available at adatum.com. Save. Then, balik tayo doon. Then, refresh natin. Pero ito pa rin yung gamit natin, yung INDC1. LONDC1 pala. So, ayun. After ma-refresh, ayan, na-update siya. So, ganun na siya. So, ayun yung sa web server setup and management. Thank you.